Welcome to 21 Ovington Avenue in the Haven section of South Edison. This property was completely redone in 2021 and the owner did everything. Everything is new in that house. This is the middle-sized bedroom, quite good, and the smallest bedroom, which will be perfect for an office space. Full bathroom next to it, and then there is the kitchen. It's on the smaller side, but look through this window at the backyard is to die for, and there is no neighbor behind that fence. Now we're heading upstairs where you have, when you enter, you have this nook, small nook for an office or playroom, and then this primary bedroom with a half bath attached to it, which is perfect because you don't have to walk downstairs during the night. Here is the side entrance to the driveway and your backyard. Heading downstairs to the basement, we have two rooms here. One is fully finished. This one, beautiful, gorgeous space. And this is the unfinished part. Everything in the house is new, including electric and plumbing, new fence. And now you're looking at this beautiful backyard, which is quite spacious, perfect for relaxation or family gatherings.